I swear, this Chinese chicken recipe, 10 of 10. This one a chicken Chinese recipe. First thing first, chop up the chicken into small pieces like so. Put on the bowl and mix with a oyster sauce and soy sauce. Also white pepper powder, and mixing them well. Next, with corn flour, and then mix them well again. Right, after that, fry the chicken on hot oil on low medium heat, okay? Flip over the chicken, make sure it's cooked until brown color. Next, put the chicken on the side first. I decreasing the oil, and then chop off shallot and garlic in. Mixing, fry them until brown color. Next, adding a chop of a ginger and chili. However, a chili is an optional, okay? Adding salt, sugar, then mixing them well. Now, I add a bean, or you can add any your favorite veggies. Mixing them well for a few minutes. And then next, the chicken back in. And I adding a rice Chinese wine, oyster sauce, little bit, sesame oil, a bit of water, and then mix them very well, and then let them cook for a few minutes, okay? Now, adding a chop of spring onion, mixing them well again. Let it cook for just 2 to 5 minutes, and then don't forget taste it. Let it cook for a few minutes, and if it tastes already bloody good, then ready to serve. I swear, this Chinese chicken recipe, 10 of 10.